Hey there. Let's talk about the full facial contraction exercise. It's a cool way to work out your whole face, especially those smile lines. And guess what? Pairing it with some plant oils or butters keeps your skin happy and soft while you're at it. What happens with your muscles? Whole face workout. When you pucker up your whole face, like you're making a fish face, you're actually getting all those facial muscles moving around your eyes, mouth, forehead, everywhere. Zeroing in on smile lines. Try to pull the corners of your mouth towards the center. This really works out the muscle around your mouth, which helps with those marionette lines. Chill time. After each squeeze, make sure to relax your face. It's super important to give your muscles a break to avoid any strain. What you need: a mirror. It's helpful to watch yourself in the mirror to make sure you're engaging all those face muscles evenly. Your favorite plant-based oil or butter. Slap on some of this good stuff to keep your skin from drying out and to make the movements smoother. And that's pretty much it. This exercise is a great way to give your face a comprehensive workout while keeping your skin nourished. So, grab your mirror, get your plant-based oil ready, and let's get those facial muscles moving. A question: which areas of your face are you looking to improve? Please let me know down below in comments, and I will make a video addressing it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was informative for you. Please subscribe.